Hi Manjot from Lens Passion Photography come again with the introduction of new Godox V1 budget-friendly round head flash. With this new speed light, Godox joined the battle of round head flashes, a flash that features a round head to allow for the attachment of magnetic modifiers and gel. With the V1, Godox has taken their speed lights to a new level. I have provided the links in the description where you can buy the product. A few months back, I uploaded video on GODOX V860 Mark II flash and also uploaded how it works with off-camera flash. Before explaining V1 feature, kindly support me by liking and commenting on this video, and also click on subscribe button and click on the bell. Like V860, GODOX V1 is also fully synchronized with Nikon ITTL and FP set. Also sync with Canon ETTL and HSS mode. Nice compatibility with Sony mirrorless cameras and also fully compatible with Fuji, Olympus and Lumix. Now come to its basic functions. Expect some new features. V1 has the same basic functions like V860 Mark II flash. It has same mode, TTL, manual and repeat flash modes. The flash coverage set to automatically or manually. It can be set to match the lens focal length from 20 mm to 200 mm. If A is displayed, the flash coverage is set to auto. You can set flash exposure by rotating the select dial. We can set the value 0 to 3 steps, minus 0.3 to minus 3 underexposed, plus 0.3 to plus 3 overexposed. Back to 0 rotating dial, cancel the all settings. It is also fully compatible with HSS mode. After selecting 4 button icon shows for the high speed synchronization. High speed synchronization FP for Nikon flashes enables to flash synchronization with all cameras shutter speeds. For more details and know about more basic functions, watch my previous video in details. I have already inserted card above and also added links in the comment section. V1 is also compatible with X1 transmitter. It is also compatible with X-Pro trigger. Now come to the main and interesting part of this video is about new and interesting feature of GODOX V1. First, quick lock shoe, easy to mount. It has 2600 mAh battery cycle time, 1.5 seconds in full power. Additionally, beautifully AKR1 magnetic modifier kit, easily attach accessories to the head. Very easy to attach all accessories with single action, either grid, wide lens, color gels, diffuser dome or 4-way barn door set. Additionally, come to the that feature I love the most is a model light. You can select model lamp button with rotating dial and then press set. Turn clockwise or anti-clockwise to change the value 1 to 10 or 10 to 1 and press the third button to exit the model light mode. So the GODOX V1 is a very good value speed light and that is equally capable as a first party speed lights at the fraction of the price. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. Thanks for watching.